Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. You can use my code 404 on this section for the welcome offer. And before we run the protocol today, I need to make something completely clear. I'm not promoting the website, I'm doing a home the cool things and there are maybe things I don't like. System is online, welcome back to the bot 404. Player objective is clear. We are opening the cases to build the complete a new loadout. The World Cup is happening right now and the platform just launched a massive special event. Today we are scanning to the event items to see if they are worth your time. We are connecting to the platform first. If you use my link in the description or comment part, you receive this welcome offer. It's a very strong starter pack for this event. Attention returning users, click the my calculate level button immediately. The system members remembers your old history. You must click it before you start the welcome cup event to see your account level. Let's test the special World Cup cases. You pick an event case, open and see what you get. I'm looking for the clear items, match NATO team colors. Creating the first case. The branches below: Germany, Netherlands, Norway, Uruguay, temperature, the red. I have, but I don't wanna. I want to go cheaper. Extreme. Alright, there is the red and blue item. I keep it. Alright, it's a cool tool. Let's handle the high tier event cases like the French. Oh, that's processing. Alright, it's all cool, I think. Alright, we do some. Please, I need this. Alright. So I've extracted this is the very clean item. The other shells are have organized very well, so you can do camera inventory easily. And there is the score against Trump. I have a lot of picks against the Trump and I am spending calls with these wheels. I have 2 calls. Alright, Trump is great. Trump is great, bro. Zing. Zing. Oh. Trump is going really well against me. I needed 20-50 in those because I want the top rewards. So I am playing a really speedy with no any okay. We are all go. Okay. All right. We are going to do really well. It's a kind of good animation. I love it, the Trump face. And the last one, easy. That's clean. Oh, I don't want to do the boom or in iron forks, French or untangy. What's that? Oh, that's really bad. It's really bad for us now. Oh, there's an upgrade now, there's an upgrade event. The platform is also have a case space for this event. You complete task and unlock new items. It's a smart system, real rules are better. Before the system block off, you check the daily case protocol. Every 24 hours, you get a case, you don't pay anything. I open this form. Because of you sign your level, you pick your risk level on there. Say for example, I choose extreme because we sync your level, we have more daily case, higher level players up to 10 case every day. For nothing. That is complete, you can get your welcome from the pinned comment, join the bot 404 Discord, we have the event items and share logouts here. Link in the description, tell me which nation team you support in the comment, bot 404 is offline. See you in the next test.